Thank you. So hi, I'm Leisha, and we're building Rosebud AI, the cursor for creatives. I'll explain exactly what that means. So AI, because it's so easy, has made creative apps and even developer tools into consumer apps, and thus have made them into more massive businesses than ever before. But there's yet to be a breakout winner that helps you make games, perhaps the biggest media format of all, bigger than music and movies combined. I'm here to show you that Rosebud is positioned to win this. First, let me show you how easy it is to build and to deploy on Rosebud. Can we play the video? Okay. All right, so you go to Rosebud AI, prompt and start building. In this case, it's a game. Like Legos, it's not just the final product, it's the process of building that's fun. Here, we're building a farming sim. So prompt by prompt, we're iterating. And once happy, creators can just click publish and deploy into a URL where they can share with the rest of the world. Once published, a game can also be remixed so that it can be, remixed into a multitude of other projects by other creators. Over 1 million projects have been made on Rosebud in just the last few months. Yes, that includes 2D and 3D games on various platforms with mobile and VR even, and of course desktop, but it also includes other creative and immersive apps. The key here is that by excelling at games, because you can manage assets and narrative, we've actually created something delightful that all creators can use to vibe code on and express themselves in, beyond gaming. Our key user insight is that consumers can be creators, because creation is actually play. So in particular, our users spend 2 to 5 hours building. This is not playing games. This is taking away time from TikTok and YouTube and even playing games. It's not their day job, it's a hobby. We have 80% month-over-month retention, and users spend on average $28 a month, a very premium budget for recreation. We've also enjoyed a lot of growth. We only started monetizing a few months ago and have grown 85% month-over-month in ARR. And organic creator monthly actives have grown to 67,000 a month. These are people who have made a project and are building. Our creators are also not just people who come from games. I mean, yes, there are people who want to build their childhood favorite game. This is what we call the nostalgic dreamers. But there are also artists and musicians who were shut out from creating software before, and now there's a tool that they can use to bring their dreams to life. And then there are teachers making interactive classroom experiences, and then parents and children building together because this is not a passive screen time activity anymore. The timing is also interesting. So building games is actually harder than building apps. It's a frontier LLM problem. So in particular, if you think about it, games have to involve complex physics, narrative, and also very complicated 3D understanding. Apps usually just require UI and data. And so that's why having an app that is live, collecting about 1 billion tokens and more a day of multi-turn user data with preferences is actually drives our moat and gives us something very special to fine-tune on. This is something that frontier labs are also interested in paying for, but of course we use it to better our workflows and agents. Our agents orchestrate code gen models, multimedia models, including things that generate assets, videos, world models, and even images and music. And because it focused on games, they actually excel at general creative media. Our goal is to enable the next 1 billion creators who can build software 3.0. You don't need to be technical to indulge in this. A teacher's lesson plan can become an interactive, explorable universe, and a child's imagination can become their first game. When AI ushers in an age of abundance, Rosebud will shift the balance from consumption to creation. Thank you.